Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Napa mattress from Country Living. This mattress has 8 layers of comfort and is an incredible value when you add it all up. So let's take a look. You can order the Napa mattress directly from the sleepcountryliving.com website. Shipping is pretty quick. It should ship within about a week and arrive to your doorstep about a week after that, so about 2 weeks in total. Now this mattress did not come in a box. This actually came on a big pallet, but I believe future models will come roll packed into a box, which is going to make it easier getting it into your room. Whether it comes in a box or not, it really doesn't matter because it does have pocket coils, so it can be bent at 90 degrees and it's not going to wreck the mattress at all. So getting it into your room, it is a heavy mattress, so you'll probably need at least 2 people to get it up any stairs. But once you open it up, it's going to come to life and it should be able to sleep on it relatively quickly after opening. There's very minimal off-gassing with this mattress. So here's what you get for the money with the Country Living Napa. This is a 16-inch thick mattress, which is considerably thicker than most of the mattresses I review, which are about 12 inches thick. So you get another 4 inches of comfort. So let's start out with how it's made. First of all, this is a hybrid mattress, so it's springs and foam. On top of that, they tuft this mattress, so it's hand tufted, and that means that they take needles and they drive them through the mattress using yarn to pull all the layers together. And that's just a superior method than using glue because glue can come apart. This just gives it a more consistent feel throughout, and it prevents you from rolling towards your partner because all of these little tufts will give it a very stable sleep surface. So that is just a really good value right off the bat. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you open this mattress is that it's very cool to the touch. There's a lot of mattresses on the market that are using what they call phase change material, and that's what this is. But with Country Living, it's a very generous amount. So they don't just add the minimal amount to check a box and say they have it. You can really feel this through the sheets. And what it does is it's just a temporary sensation to cool you down when you get into bed to help you fall asleep just a little faster. So it's designed to sort of dissipate some body heat. It's not going to last all night, but it'll last just enough to initially cool you down. The other standout feature of construction is the 2 inches of quilted foam. So instead of just using a thin cover and putting some foam underneath, they're actually quilting the foam into the cover. So it just feels more put together and more integrated with the mattress as a whole. So you're not feeling each individual layer. It just feels like a nice, good quality mattress throughout. Underneath that, you're going to have a layer of micro coils, and micro coils are just these little coils, maybe about 1 inch, that you can squeeze with your finger very easily. But instead of just adding more foam, which can add more heat, the micro coils are a good way to create some separation for airflow and also offer just better micro contouring because foam, if you keep adding those layers, it's going to create sagging. The micro coils will just provide a little bit of subtle pushback for better contouring. Now underneath that, they're also using some copper foam, which also has cooling and antimicrobial properties. And finally, under that, they have another layer of coils, of traditional coils. These are pocket coils, all individually wrapped. So they'll all move independently of one another, which will reduce motion transfer and provide excellent contouring. And again, not adding up on all that foam and heat retention. So what you're getting is actually 2 layers of coils with this mattress. And this is also a zoned coil system. So the zoned coil system means that you're going to get good support along your hips. So if you tend to lay on your side or stomach, you're not going to bow and sink into the mattress too much. So obviously there was a lot of thought and a lot of materials put into this construction. The Napa mattress comes in 3 firmnesses, a soft, a medium, and a firm. For this review, I received a soft version just because I really want to put to the test if they can create a mattress that's adequately supportive, yet still very comfortable for somebody that wants ultimate pressure relief. So I tend to sleep on my side starting out and migrate more towards my stomach. And as a side sleeper, it's great, but for stomach sleeper, you do lose some support. So if you're a stomach or back sleeper primarily, I'd say go more towards the medium or the firm. People that are absolutely dedicated side sleepers and you really don't waver in your position, soft is a good choice in that regard. You just get really, really good contouring and pressure relief. And I didn't feel like I would have to change positions if I didn't, do that without thinking about it. Now, this mattress is also good for people that tend to sleep hot because of the phase change material and the 2 layers of coils. There is some motion transfer with this. You just can't get around it, and I think that's just because it is a hybrid mattress. No matter what they tell you, even with pocket coils, even with the tufting, there is still going to be some motion transfer. And I can sometimes move around in my sleep, or even if I get up at night or hop back into bed, it's going to be much more pronounced than if this was an all foam mattress. So just keep that in mind. But all in all, it's just a very, very well-built mattress, and something that I think is going to have that universal comfort for you and your spouse. If at all you're in doubt, go with the medium firmness. I think that's obviously going to be the most versatile. And just knowing that even as a stomach sleeper, I was almost okay with this. Medium for sure, you're going to be just fine in any position. The Napa mattress is the top of the line model from Country Living, so it does command a higher price point. A queen size retails for just a little over $2,300, but keep in mind that's before any discounts. And if you head over to sleepsherpa.com, we have some really aggressive discounts that is going to bring that price down considerably. So it's going to be a very, very good value. In addition to that, it does come with an industry-leading 18-month trial. As I started reviewing mattresses, 100 nights was standard. Now we're all the way up to 1.5 years. And what that means is they're going to ship this mattress to you for free. You'll have about 1.5 years to sleep on this to see if you like it or not. And so that's obviously more than enough time to make a decision. But say 1 year from now, you just aren't happy with it for whatever reason, they will facilitate a free return for you as well. So you're not out any money for that entire trial period. If you do decide to keep this mattress, it comes with a lifetime warranty. And I know that lifetime warranties seem kind of vague, but what that means for Country Living is that as long as you own this mattress, they will warrant against any manufacturer defects or indentations over a certain amount. So you just have to read the fine print on what those indentations are, etc. But basically, if you own this mattress for 15, 20 years and you're noticing significant indentations or something falls apart on the mattress that's not supposed to, just contact Country Living and they'll work to make it right, whether that's repairing the mattress or even sending out a new one. Really good customer service here. On top of that, this is all made in the USA, so it's very good construction. So here's my final thoughts on the Napa mattress. We've done reviews of the other 2 in the line, and I found this one to be the best feeling and obviously the best construction. So there's no coincidence that they put in the money to create a really good mattress with really good materials, and then you've got a really good feel. And yes, $2,300 in a queen is a lot, but if you head over to sleepsherpa.com, we've got some really good discounts for you that's going to bring that down. And when you compare this spec for spec with some of the other mattresses out on the market, you'll find that this is actually a really good deal. And then if you add on top of that free delivery, free returns, and a 1.5 year trial, it really stands out among the pack. So again, you're getting the tufting, micro coils, zone coils, next gen foams, phase changing materials. It's all baked into the Napa mattress. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com where we're going to give you the full review and the latest discounts.